Ever walk into the grocery store, grab a cart, and then just freeze? The aisles are packed, options are endless, and your plan feels out of reach. Trust me, I've been there. Today, I make it simple. Your beginner's grocery list for healthy eating. Let's start strong. Produce is your new best friend. Grab a big handful of leafy greens, spinach, kale, romaine, perfect for salads. Use in smoothies, stuff into sandwiches. Add colorful veggies like bell peppers, carrots, tomatoes. Don't forget fruit, berries, apples, bananas, fresh or frozen. They all work. Now let's talk protein. Eggs keep you full and energized. Lean chicken breast, fish, beans for plant-based options, chickpeas, lentils, Greek yogurt, protein-packed snack. Whole grains are next. Ditch white bread. Go for oats, brown rice, whole grain wraps. Grain bowls keep energy steady. Let's not forget healthy fats. Yes, you need them. Think avocados, nuts, seeds. Grab almonds, peanut butter, quick tip. Watch for added sugars on the label. Now snacks. Instead of chips, try air-popped popcorn, rice cakes, roasted chickpeas. Swap sugary bars for a handful of mixed nuts, or choose a piece of fruit. Remember, healthy eating starts with your cart. Whether you want clean eating tips, a weight loss grocery list, or a diet shopping guide, it all begins here. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone starting their healthy journey. Healthy eating starts with your cart. Choose wisely and fuel your best self.